Hello everyone, myself Deshdeepak Gangwar. Today I am here going to discuss about ISRO interview. Recently ISRO declared their written examination result. First, congratulations to all who cleared written examination and qualified for interview. ISRO is India's most prestigious organization, so its interview was not a easy task for you. If you prepare well and you know about what they ask you, so you can easily crack the interview or you can become a scientist. So listen carefully about the ISRO interview so you can become a scientist. It is mainly technical interview, main focus on technical knowledge. If they satisfied from your technical knowledge, then they ask question about ISRO's current missions, project, and sometimes some famous mission. This time they may ask about Chandrayaan 2 because this was very famous in India. And if they are not satisfied your technical knowledge, then they really ask about your ISRO's projects or missions. So first try to focus more on technical subjects. There are 7 to 10 panel member, and each panel member may ask you question. They gave you a marker and there is a whiteboard available there, and you can solve. They ask you to solve question on the whiteboard. There is a proper large distance between the panel member and the whiteboard, so you can carefully listen them, so you can answer properly their question. If you don't know the question answer, then you say directly no, that I don't know sir, because you don't try to manipulate them, because they are scientists. They know very well what is right and what is wrong. I am from mechanical branch, so my focus on mainly mechanical subjects. In mechanical, there are two common subjects from which they ask question definitely. First is engineering drawing and second is material science. So you prepare well to these two subjects. Other than these subjects, you can prepare 2 to 3 more subjects which are your favorite subject, and prepare from standard books, because if you prepare from standard books, then you can satisfy easily them with your answers. And the time duration was interview around 20 to 25 minutes, and it may be up to 40 minutes. If you satisfy them with your technical knowledge, then they ask about your ISRO's, then interview duration may increase. They can ask you about training and projects, so you can prepare well about training and projects, because if they want to check your industrial knowledge, then they definitely ask question from industrial training and projects. There are mainly 4 locations in India where the interview conducted: Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Kolkata. They are very friendly panel members, so don't too afraid from them. If they ask question in English, then try to communicate in English, because there may be 2 to 3 members which may not know the Hindi properly, so you can try to answer in English. If you not comfortable in English, then you can answer in Hindi also. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me in comment box, and best wishes for your interview. Thank you so much.